So if you're a Mac user like I am, I'm going to show you a trick that is going to change your life. And that is taking a screenshot on a Mac. Now let me show you what I used to do. I would start by searching and opening Preview, and then from the Preview menu I would select File and take Screenshot from Selection. This would allow me to draw a box around the screen that I wanted to take a photo of. From here I would just select Edit and Copy, and then I could paste that in any document. Now this works okay, but it wasn't good in a few different scenarios, and it's a couple different steps. So I want to show you one of my favorite new keyboard shortcuts that I actually just learned recently. You can take a screenshot on any Mac by using this keyboard shortcut. It would be Shift, Command, and then the number 3. So after you press it, you hear a little clicky noise and a beeping noise. Okay, so it sounds like a photo has been taken, but where is it? Well, here's what you have to do. You just have to paste that the image has been copied. It's actually copied to the clipboard on your computer. So when you open up any program that you can paste into, just select Command V. And there is the screenshot that I just took. This works fantastic. Now, the one way that you can bring Preview in is if you have to do any editing. For instance, if I want to edit the screenshot a little bit, I can open Preview, select File, New from Clipboard, and now I'll be able to use all of the tools that are available in Preview on this image that I was able to take a screenshot of. So go ahead and try that. It's Shift, Command, number 3. That will let you take a screenshot on your Mac that will automatically be copied. You can then paste it anywhere that you'd like. So thanks for watching this quick tip on how to create a screenshot with a Mac. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave it in the comments. And if you like more of these technology or education tips, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thanks and have a great day.